Hi everyone. Right, it's been a while because Sky Glass has gone pretty static at the moment, but thought I'd just do another quick video because I was asked in my Facebook group, well, somebody had asked a question and I'd come across it by accident the other day and I hadn't changed it. So if you want to slightly personalise your telly and make it better to look at, it's almost like a dark mode setting that you get on mobile phones and your computers and all that nowadays to make everything easier to read. Some may know where it is. I bet you a lot probably don't, so this is why I'm doing this video. So keep watching and I'll show you how it's done. So that's your main screen as you turn your TV on. So if you notice, before I do go any further, everything is always blue on there. It's all blue and glary, and as you can see from there, and your TV is probably just the same. So you come down to settings, you go into settings, picture and sound, network, stay on accessibility, go across, come all the way down, high contrast, make text easier to read. Yours is probably turned off. So if you watch our blue background now, you turn it on. Those lines that you can see, that is part of the system. It's not a fault. I've looked from every angle. It's the way it is. You don't need to click enter or anything like that. Just go back, and you're back on your main screen. And if you look now, see, everything's all black and it's sort of toned it down so it's a bit easier to read. As I say, it's almost like a dark mode that you get on your mobiles and that. So yet again, so if I go into settings, accessibility, come across, high contrast, center button on your keypad, turns it back to blue. And if you go back, it goes back to blue again. So if you don't like it, you can go back to blue. But as you can see, it is quite gaudy as well, to be honest. So there you go. So it's another setting and a little tip for somebody. I'm sure somebody will like it. So accessibility, I've checked with the wife, she likes it. So guess what? We're keeping it on. So back, home screen, and there you go. So it's a nice quick tip for some people if you want it. Obviously, if you've enjoyed this, obviously remember I've got a full playlist of different odds and sods of Sky Glass. Jump into the playlist, have a look around. Also give me a share, a like, and hit the notification bell, and you'll get notifications every time I do new stuff. So hopefully try and do a few more videos lately, because there's nothing much really else happening at the moment, but more things I find, I'll try and help you guys out. So give us a share, give us a like, and thank you very much. Hope this helps you out. Cheers.